Jonathan Handford from Fine & Country, and today I'm in the heart of Warwickshire, a town called Warwick. Behind me is the impressive Caesar's Tower, which is part of Warwick Castle, and it looms over this stunning cobbled street, which is the perfect representation of the character of the town of Warwick. At the end of the street and to the right is walking distance to Warwick School, which is believed to be the oldest public boys' school in the world. And at the end of the street to the left is Warwick Town Centre, which is full of boutique shops, cafes and restaurants. These stunning listed buildings here are the perfect representation of this street, and behind them is Warwick Boat and Tennis Club, and beyond that is the River Avon. So today we're putting onto the market number 19 Mill Street, this charming mid-terrace listed building, and my colleague Angela is going to give you the guided tour of the inside of this home. Let's have a look inside.
This unique home offers the perfect combination of contemporary living and the history and character of a period property. The view from the garden is pretty special too. Let's take a look around. At the heart of this beautiful home is a generously sized drawing room, which is the perfect place to unwind in front of the fire. This leads through to what is undoubtedly one of the best features of this home, an open plan breakfast kitchen and garden room, which is a fantastic space for entertaining and relaxing. Large bifold doors open out onto the terrace and the stunning private south-facing garden, which has a spectacular view of neighbouring Warwick Castle. The 4 bedrooms are full of character and charm and feature beautiful original wooden beams. The family bathroom and 2 en-suites offer a more contemporary feel, so you really have the best of both worlds. The garden itself offers multiple places to sit and enjoy the view, and at the end of the garden you'll find the perfect space for a home office or somewhere to simply relax and enjoy the pretty garden. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you've enjoyed the tour. For more information, please contact us on the details that follow.